General Shaw Clifton wrote, "The internationalism of the Salvation Army demonstrates the truth that in Christ there are no such dividing forces between believers as national prejudices, class consciousness, gender divisions, and other hindrances to full Christian fellowship as sons and daughters of God." Of course, this is the ideal, but we don't always get it right. A very real problem when it comes to multiculturalism is racism. Racism fails to see all people as made in the image of God. Instead, it sees some people as less than and others as greater than. Racism doesn't allow humans to be equal as we are created to be. It is abusive and demeaning. Simply put, racism is sinful. Racism weakens. It weakens countries, communities, families, and individuals. Differences can actually strengthen us. Our differences can help us learn more about who God is in His fullness. We are wiser when we learn from other people's different experiences. If we're only with those who are just like us, we stop growing. Differences help stretch and challenge us. Learning from others can make us smarter, wiser, kinder, and more inclusive. Allowing differences to strengthen us glorifies God. We all have our biases. A bias is a leaning towards or away from something. If given the choice, we will choose one over the other. It is not necessarily a bad thing. For example, we might have a bias towards vegetables and away from chocolate, or it might be the other way around. Biases, as they get stronger, can become prejudices. When prejudices are against other people and cultures, they lead to racism. Prejudice is usually defined as a low opinion of others that we form without knowledge or reason. And racism is usually an active choice to view different groups as not equal. Sometimes we know what our own biases and prejudices are. Other times, we might not be aware of them.